So I'm here to transmit to the church in Mongolia the closeness, the affection, the blessing, and the concern of the Holy Father, Pope Francis, who pray for the church in Mongolia and who is supporting the mission of evangelization of the priest, of the bishop, and of the holy people in Mongolia. I participated for the first 2 days of this first General Assembly, and I have appreciated and enjoyed the spirit of family, the spirit of communion, of sincerity in saying and sharing with each other the concerns, the hopes, and the ways of the mission. I especially have appreciated this missionary spirit that burns in the hearts of the missionaries and of the faithful. And so I encourage and would recommend to everybody to keep this spirit. It is more important than any structure, than any pastoral plan. Pastoral plans are important, structures are important, but the Spirit, the Holy Spirit, is the true agent, the true energy of the mission. The grace of God would carry on this mission of the Church to be credible witness of the Gospel in Mongolia. I will report all this to the Holy See in order to foster and strengthen the links of communion and fraternity between the Universal Church, the Catholic Church, and the Church in Mongolia.